You could be my one and only. I can be your one. Come on, let's take it slowly. I'll show you how it's done. I ain't never seen your type before. How'd you end up with a guy like that? Spread your wings and I'll make you soar.
Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd show you how to create this look for Valentine's Day using only makeup from Primark. And some of this makeup starts at only 90p. So yeah, I tried to pick like the cheapest of Primark's makeup to create this makeup look for Valentine's Day, so it's really affordable. Yeah, so if you want to see how to create this look, then do keep on watching. If you're new here, then hello, my name's Tabby. I make videos on motherhood and fashion and makeup and come shopping with me and cleaning and hauls and all sorts of things. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, then please do hit that subscribe button down there. I'm not actually going anywhere or doing anything for Valentine's Day. Do let me know in the comments what you're up to for Valentine's Day. Make me jealous, because yeah, we're not going anywhere. It'll be a night sat on the sofa watching films and eating crap. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Let's go. Yep, it'd be my face you're seeing in your nightmares tonight. So this is the PS Primer Water. It's only £2. It smells delightful and it's so refreshing. So this is a medium cover matte foundation in the shade Nude, and it was only £3. The pump on it was rubbish. And applying it with a rip-off beauty blender didn't do it justice. When I swapped to a makeup brush to blend it, it actually blended much better. I did have to go over my big red cheeks with it a second time, give it a second layer, because it was just not covering them. But once I did that, it was actually really quite nice.
Just a million parts. My skin, tears upon your face,
Big fan of foundation pressed powders. I got this one in Nude to match the liquid foundation and it was only £2. It does say it's buildable cover, but I don't think I'd like to use it as a foundation on its own. But over the liquid foundation, I actually thought it gave a really nice finish. This full coverage concealer stick was an absolute bargain at only 90p. I did find it a little bit drying around my nose. It was generally full coverage, but you had to work it with a brush to get it to blend. Like really work it. It actually kind of hurt my face. But you know, it did the job, and for 90p, what can you really expect? I then got another concealer stick in a darker colour. My intention was to use this for contouring because I couldn't find anything else. It kind of went okay, but again I had to vigorously rub my face, which became a little bit painful and turned me a little bit red. But it kind of did the job, but I wouldn't really recommend going in with a concealer stick for contour. Like, I'm sure Primark do a much better contour kit which you can get your hands on for probably next to nothing. I got this brow pencil in the colour Cool Brown. I probably could have done with a slightly darker coloured pencil, but it's nice. It's quite hard, but yeah, it's got pencil one end, brush the other, works a treat. I'm sure I've got one eyebrow higher than the other. Next I picked up this bronze shade and shimmer eyeshadow palette. It says it's coconut fragranced. I don't think it is. It smells like something, but I'm not convinced it's coconuts. This was £4, and yes, it did look this manky when I bought it, but it was the only one left. But actually I thought the shades are really nice. There was a good mix of mattes and shimmers. The mattes are pretty good. The shimmers didn't give much colour payoff, but they're lovely colours, and for £4 there's nothing really to moan about. I really like the concept of the jumbo eyeliner, and it did work really well when I first started using it, but it seemed to dry out like really quite quick, and as my eyelids get wrinklier it gets harder to draw a line without like tugging my skin. The plastic was a nightmare to get into as well. But yeah, it generally did the job. I think you just have to store it upside down so that the felt tip part stays wetter for longer.
For the soul to be excluded, feel apart, stand alone, just like you used to. Hand me down and bring me.
So here's my £1 special volumizing mascara. I can't say it's particularly volumizing, it didn't really do very much, but for £1 I wasn't really expecting it to. You know, it does the job, it makes them look a bit darker, lengthens them a little bit, but as long as you're not going in expecting miracles, you're going to be fine. This high pigment blush is actually really nice. It's called Secrecy and it was only £1.50, and I actually thought it was a really pretty, like really nice delicate pink colour. I really liked it. This double dimension highlight is just amazing. It's a bit more expensive at £3 and I picked this up at Christmas, hence the snowflakes, but it's such a pretty, like, highly reflective highlighter. I'm just so in love with it. It's my go-to highlighter. It's amazing. This lip liner is £1 and it's in the shade Ruby. It's a really nice red colour and I find it quite a nice creamy consistency. There's not too much to say about lip liners, is there? I didn't have to scratch my lips off to get colour out of it, so as far as I'm concerned, for £1 this one is a winner. And then this was probably my biggest surprise. This lipstick is called Ruby Red and it's a matte lipstick and it comes in at £1.50. It's actually such a nice colour. I put it on firstly with a brush, but then I just put it on straight from the bullet. But actually for Valentine's Day it is the perfect bright cherry red and I absolutely love it. It's quite a nice consistency and for a matte lipstick it's really not drying at all. Amazing. I picked up some £1 eyelashes just to finish the look. These are in Sultry and the glue in these was actually really good. I was really impressed. They do need trimming a little bit. I stuck them on kind of as they came in the packet and they're maybe a bit too long for my eyelashes, so they need trimming down a little bit. But actually I think they look quite nice. They're not too bad for £1. So yeah, overall I was really impressed with all the stuff I got from Primark this time.